Removing the rear lights on the Volvo XC90. Remove the boot floor by lifting this panel. You'd normally have a little cord here to lift the floor out of place. Now lift this piece out here and remove this cover. And now you've got these 10mm pegs to remove. If you are removing the assembly completely and not just changing the bulbs, you'll need to disconnect the wiring on the inside of the car, just that connector. Pull the assembly back away from the car. And if you're only changing the bulbs, you're okay at this point. But if you are removing the assembly completely, then pull this grommet out here, which will pull the connector through, and then because the wiring goes to the fog light, you'll need to remove this piece of trim here. And this will allow you access to the wiring for the fog light. It looks like this connector should slide up and away, but I'm having to remove the clip behind it. And this will allow the assembly to be completely removed without taking the bulbs out. Now, however unlikely that you need to remove the top part of the tail light, as there are no bulbs, you've got a 10mm bolt at the bottom and again at the top. And it'll probably be quite well stuck on because they're never removed, but you've got lugs behind the top and the bottom and one in the middle, holding the fitting in position. And that's all the tail lights removed. I hope this video has helped. If you could take the time to like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And thanks for watching.